Login loop error on Cleo Business Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on Cleo Business where you enter your email and password only to be bounced back to the login screen, you're definitely not alone. Most people assume this means their credentials are wrong or that Cleo's servers are down. But the surprising truth is, this error usually happens because your browser or device is holding onto outdated session data. The fix is simple once you know what to do. Start by completely closing the Cleo app or browser window. Then reopen it and try again. If the loop continues, it's time to clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps Cleo, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the Cleo app. That removes any corrupted login data that may be stuck in memory. If you're using Cleo on a web browser, go to your settings, open Privacy or History, and clear cookies for Cleo. Old cookies can store expired tokens that keep redirecting your login attempts. Next, ensure your app or browser is fully updated. Outdated versions can't communicate properly with Cleo's latest authentication system. Check for updates through the App Store, Google Play, or your browser's update option. If you're still looping, switch your connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or try a different network altogether. Some networks block secure redirects used in Cleo's lock-in process. It's also worth turning off your password manager or browser autofill for one attempt. These tools can sometimes input old or incorrect data that keeps triggering the loop. Finally, restart your device and log in again. Most users find this resolves the issue immediately. So next time your Cleo Business login gets stuck, don't stress. It's not your account, it's just your device clinging to outdated data. Clear it, refresh your session, and you'll be back to tracking expenses and managing cash flow in no time.